Hey y'all, and thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. Today I have the pleasure of having with me my daughter Lana. She's visiting California from Texas, and she got to be here when we had the not so pleasant earthquake last week, so that was a little bit different experience for her. But anyway, we're going to do a wall grouping. We've got 3 canvases, we've got 7 colors of paint. We're going to be doing 2 pours on these canvases, so let's get right to it. Okay folks, so here's what we've got. This Delta, it's a pearl finish because we wanted kind of gonna go for a quartz look to this piece as the final look for it. So we've got this pearl finish, which I've used before and I love it. I think it's really pretty. I've got another Delta. This is called Ink Blot. It's a really, really pretty blue. We've got another Blue Heaven, and we've got something Latte. This is Anita's paints. I have to edit that. Anita's paints. And then we have this metallic brush metal faux art brush metal finish. I think it's called Burnished Bronze. So these are our colors. I'm going to get these out. Well, I have one more. Also, I have this Arteza. This is called Deep Green. So we have mixed our colors because that took us a little while. We've mixed our colors now. First, for this project, we want a little background on all 3 of these pieces. So I'm just going to start with little circular pours, and I'll start over here, Lana, so that you can start manipulating for our background here. I'm just going to take it and just let it go in the middle. A center pour for that.
Pretty. Where would that burnished bronze is gonna look really good.
It is gonna look really good. These colors are so looking like they are going to contrast so beautifully together.
Maybe hit me up in the middle. In the middle a little, maybe.
Okay. Need some more?
Yeah.
Got just, well, here, let's start flowing of these others. You go ahead with that.
Okay.
Go ahead with that, and I'm going to see if I can work on this one. I'm going to put this one this way, folks, just so that I won't drip on it. Now, I did have somebody comment one day about, that I was messy. This is fluid art. It is not a nice and neat thing, but that is part of the character of it. Part of the fun of it is to pour paint, have fun, create something.
Messy is fun. I actually have a shirt, as my mom has probably already noted, I'm actually from Texas, and I actually have a shirt that says that I love to play in the dirt. So messy is fun to me.
I can see. Okay, so we've got our background done, and the background, we're both going, oh my gosh, this is awesome. But now we're going to add our other little part for the quartz, and Lana has got another cup ready of the same colors of paint, only I think we added the greens. We didn't have the green in this, but we have the green in this. So I'm just going to let you start. And we have an idea. She has an idea in mind, and we're gonna see if that'll if it'll work with us and we get what's that's always the fun part, what's in your mind.
Yeah.
It's like buying shoes. You got something in mind and then you go, you know. Now keep going. You're going to keep going, kind of going over your initial pour there, and it's going to get down to the other layers of the other colors, the contrasting colors that we've got. So they're going to come on and come through. Yeah, see, like that. That's awesome. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we don't want to maneuver this too much. I don't think. What do you think? You want to we can let this kind of sink down a little bit and let that one sink up with whatever you think. Okay, when I say sink down, I'm gonna just let it move just a little.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. So I don't want to change these ribbons of the color through there.
I don't, but I kind of like the way that that's like coming out.
Look how awesome. Oh, this is awesome.
So maybe we'll just play a little.
And I just did that. Here, you're going to do just what I did. This is a...
Oh, sorry, yes.
Oh, wow. Now we did not put any silicone in this. We got some pretty awesome, cool looking cells just that popped up on their own. All right, Lana, what do you think? Any more maneuvering, or you're happy with it like that?
Well, what do you think?
I like it. I think it looks great. We've got this great flow. I don't want to drip anything again. We've got this great flow of our ribbons of color. These awesome cells popped up. Oh, I probably did that. Okay, we'll fix that. Hey y'all, and thanks for watching. I appreciate all your comments, your likes and shares, and for sure your thumbs up. If they want to thank Lana for joining me today. She had this awesome idea, and I think it came out really, really cool. As we were just saying, it was really cool before we had, our final thought to it. But that's what happens when you pour paint. You come up with something really awesome, and then you can, just build on it or whatever and have fun with it. Hey, if you just dropped by and you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. Y'all have a great day.
Bye, guys.